Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carol and today I'm recreating a video of one of my adventures at Ngong PEC OLEPOLOS here in Kenya. Let's go! So when we got to PEC Nature Trails, we were handed over a piece of paper, as you can see, at the reception to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Can you imagine if anything happened to us, the organization would not be held responsible? Okay, it was all up to us. At the end, we had to sign for our death sentence. On to our first activity, we had to come up with a team. In order to achieve that, we were to play a game of which I can't remember the name of the game, but from this game, that's how we came up with a team for the challenges. Here I was gearing up for challenge number 1, which is wall climbing. Guys, I don't know how, but my wall climbing video got deleted. Hope you enjoyed the pictures instead. Challenge number 2, high ropes.
Wewe soja gale, eh? Wewe ashaenda tatu. Nakwambia. Aha. Si ngumu sana. It is no joke. Wewe Daniel ulikuwa wapi?
Just listen to my cheerleaders. Right there, I felt like a real superhero.
Mimi heights na. Leo nimejaribu sana. Mimi but nimemake a point nijifunze kuswim. Training at least. Because everywhere tunaenda swimming. Enda tu. Kamba, balance hiyo mbao. Imagine endelea, uko poa. Sasa hapo. Damaris bado na vile anaenda. Anangangana. Make steps kubwa.
Mission accomplished. The second challenge now is done. It was no joke. Now on to the third challenge.
Break tena.
Aya, break.
Ushaisimama miguu ikakataa juu ya kutetemeka? We? Hey.
Haya, sawa. Wamejaribu. Kama sisi imemwacha na amefuata. Shamena atakushinda. Enda. Shamena umezoea kupanda miti wewe. Nimesubaishwa. Anarekodiwa na ule besi yao. Niambia ni aje kutu hivi. There you go. Wamepanda mbio sasa. Umechoka hivyo yani. Sasa jiruse. Jiruse. Hii utibambe. Jiruse hili. Wewe kujeni mrudie ngicha cha rekodi. Yeah. Unasema ni class. Jiruse. Nadhani unarudi aje na lift. Shika hiyo note. Shika hiyo note alafu kaa hivi uangalie huko. Angalia huku. Angalia huku. Angalia huku. Kuna mwingine kweli? Anakuja anatoka.
And then we played a little game as we wait for the nyama choma, and then a photo session with the team and my bestie. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. This has been your girl Carol. Bye.